One of my amazing subscribers asked me this question: how can I appear on my laptop screen? But I want you to know, most people think appearing on a laptop screen is something like this particular video that I did. You see it. So most people think appearing on a laptop screen is hard. But what if I tell you that it is way easier than you think? So today in this video, I'm teaching you two things. I'll be showing you how to screen record on your laptop screen, number one, and how to appear on your laptop screen. Yes. So let's start. So first, we'll be starting with how to screen record your laptop screen. Shouldn't understand, because let's look at that down. But since you're on a laptop home page, you go to your search icon and search for Microsoft PowerPoint. So we just type on PowerPoint. Are you seeing it? Just open it. You open our PowerPoint. You will see blank presentation, and you will also see already made things. Let me show you. Can you see plenty things here? Can you see it? Are you seeing them? So this is it. So you click on what? Blank presentation. Then you see the home page: file, home, insert, draw, transition, and many things. Can you see it? You also see record. You see it. Can you see it? Then you click on record. Can you see it? Everything I'm mentioning is in the upside. Then you will see record, and recording is what you are doing on PowerPoint. You record from coins. Like, just see it, coins add up on the beginning. Don't say I did screenshot. You can take a screenshot. Share understand, guys. PowerPoint, save as this day, show as expert. Are you seeing it? But the reason we are using this because we need record. Save as, show as expert. Since we are going to make use of screen record, that is what we are going to make use of. So just click on screen record. And to look at the icon of record, timer, select area, audio, record pointer. Are you seeing it? So select area and pick the area I want to record on the laptop. Can you see it? So like this now, I've started recording. I hope you are following. Can you see that I started recording? Can you see it? So everything I am doing on the screen right now is being recorded. Everything I am doing right now on the screen is being recorded. So you get. And one thing why I love this screen record is that it does not show timer. Yes, unless you go to the upside. And going to the upside is optional. It's not compulsory. So you get. Are you seeing? So it is counting up here. So it is counting up here. Can you see it? Okay. So it's counting up here. So if you want to stop this screen record, you go to the outside. You will see pause, by counting, record pointer. So everything you do. So after you finish recording what you want to do, you click on the stop recording. Then to take you back to PowerPoint. For you to save the video, give the file a name. So you press Ctrl X and it means what? Save. So it gets saved and you give it title. So let me save it here. So I'll press Ctrl X and to me save. So give it a name, pick a location for the document. Are you seeing it? So let me give it a name, tutorial, and save it. And after saving it, you can play the screen record by going to the folder you save it. And open it. And it's open. Then click on play. Can you see it? It is very easy. And if you have any question, you are free to ask, because it's very easy to screen record with linking system. It's very easy to screen record. It's very, very easy. So after screen recording, for those that do not get screen record, because this is where the main question is how to add the same on the screen. But if you don't have screen record, you cannot add the same on the screen. So you send the screen recorded video to your phone. either through Bluetooth, Xender, or using cord to your phone. from your laptop to your phone. Check it. So after you send it, so that because they have my baby by, that's why she's there with me. So after sending it, you play it to be sure that that's the video that you want to use. You play it. Check it. Let me take camera because of that. You play it. Wait, let me pause. So what you do first is you play the video that you just sent from your laptop to your phone to be sure that that's the video that you want. Do you understand? After you have played the video, then what did you do? You screen record it again on your phone. Yes. I know I screen record to our phone. I screen record to our phone because that was the laptop screen record. Yes, that's how I screen record it on our phone again. Something like this. I see it. Can you see it? So you make sure it's recorded from the beginning to the end. You can put your phone on flight mode so that message will not pop in and disturb your phone. Because if you are screen recorded, it will be like say you are using your laptop, go. But the thing is you are using your brain. That's it. I see it. Something like this. So after you have finished screen recording it, what do? You get over to our editing application. You can make use of CapCut, you can make use of insert, you can make use of any editing software. But me, I mostly make use of CapCut. Yes. So when you make use of open CapCut, you click on add picture. The first thing you add is picture. Yes. You add picture. Yes. After you add picture, because that's first thing, then go to aspect ratio and click 16:9 ratio. Click on 16:9 ratio because that is YouTube long form standard. Then zoom it, do it well. I see it. Then when done, click on overlay. I see what I'm doing. Click on overlay. Add overlay. Then add the screen recorded videos from PowerPoint. The one that I just screen record again. Add it. Can you see it? Don't look at my side, I'm see what I'm doing. Zoom it well. Stop it. I'll beat you now. You can go like this. Cut all this part. What do you want now? Zoom it well. Zoom it well. Position is very low. I hope you are saying as I'm doing it, sha. Then click on overlay. Just look as I'm doing it, sha, as I'm editing it. From overlay, I had one I connect my camera. But I want you to know, always make sure you add the screen recorded video from your laptop first before adding your phone on. Yes. Why you do that one? Can you see it? I hope you understand what I'm saying. So next, click on the camera video and press mask. I hope you are seeing it. There are different aspects of mask. There's horizontal, mirror, cycle, rectangle, and what? And star and heart. Different one. Can you see it? But I'm making use of what? Cycle. And I will click on mask. Yes, and adjust it. Can you see as I'm doing it? Just look at my side, I hope you are following. So I'll further move to the background noise of my laptop. Don't look as I'm doing it. Can you see it? Let me play the video for you to see what I've just done. Or should we finish editing it after I'll show you? So this is it. Let me play it for you. So you see as I've masked it already. So that's how I appear on my laptop screen. So you see it. So when I'm done, I export it. I can play it after exporting, but it's not compulsory. I don't want the video to be too long. So you understand. So you make the video under mask. So if you have any questions, ask in the comment section. So I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to wait. Let me pause this out. So that's how I appear on my laptop screen. So I hope you find the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like video, and turn on the notification bell so it can reach more people. And what? Don't forget to check out my playlist. And see you in my. Don't forget to check out my playlist. See you in our next video. Hi, I'm Bully Bright. Bye bye.